Okay, I want to go ahead and show you one more stitch. It's not a stitch that I use very often in crochet. This is the triple crochet stitch. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the triple crochet stitch. So here's my chain. I'm going to wrap it around once, twice. Okay, so now we have 3 loops on there. Okay, and I'm going to find the stitch, usually 3 or 4 down, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 down, and we're working in the chain. 3 loops. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull it through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2, and yarn over and pull it through 2. That's the triple crochet. Let's try that one more time. Yarn over 1, yarn over 2. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to find our next chain and insert it, yarn over and pull it through, and we now have 4 loops on our hook, right? So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 one more time. And that's our triple crochet. It makes really lovely tall stitches. Okay, looks really nice on the chunky yarn. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the stitch. This is what it looks like when you're making it into the foundation chain. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like in the stitches. Okay? So let's go ahead and see how we're going to make this into some stitches here. So we're going to usually chain 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3, depending on your tension and what the pattern calls for. Okay, this is going to be usually count as the first one. It all depends. I'm going to skip this stitch right here, and I'm going to make my stitch right in here. You see that V right there? I'm going to make my stitch right here. So I'm going to wrap around 1, 2 times. I'm going to insert my hook right here, yarn over and pull it through. I have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to insert it into my next stitch, and I'm going to yarn over and pull it through. I'm going to hold these stitches with my hand, my finger, pull it up. Now I have 4 loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, that's how you make the triple crochet. I'm going to show it to you a little bit faster. Okay, and here we go. That was a triple crochet. Okay.